Hello everyone, my name is Vika and welcome back to my channel VikaBakes. And today we're going to make a spin-off tiramisu cake with cherries and also with sour cream. And let's get started. So for this recipe we need, of course, sour cream, 140 grams sour cream for the dough, and also 1 pound of sour cream for our cream. Then we are going to need 140 grams of butter, and I will put all the measurements in the description below in cups and in grams. Then we are going to need 1 egg. Also cherries. I already pitted our cherries and it's going to be 1 pound of cherries. And you can use sour cherries or regular cherries, and you kind of use regular ones. That's why I add less sugar because they are already sweet. And I think it's perfect because right now it's cherry season. So they are more affordable now, and I just think it's a great idea to put some cherries in the dough, so you will see. And then we're going to need a little bit of baking powder, 2 teaspoons, and I'm going to use coconut sugar, but you can use any kind of sugar. I'm just trying to make it healthier, so I will use 50 grams of coconut sugar for our dough. I'm just using regular flour, and we're going to need 200 grams of it. And I tried substituting it with different kinds of flour and it didn't really work out well for me, so I would recommend using regular flour for this recipe. Also, we are going to use confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar for our cream, and that's it. Yay! So this is super easy, this recipe. So we're just going to make a dough, and then on top we're going to make a cream for it. And for the dough we are just going to mix softened butter, unsalted butter, with sugar, 50 grams of sugar. And I'm going to use my mixer, but if you don't have it you can just whisk it by hand, it's fine. Just like saves a little bit time. So we're going to use 50 grams of coconut sugar, and it's 1/4 cup, and I'm going to put it right here, and we're just going to mix it all together. So I mixed it for like 3 minutes, and now I'm going to add 1 egg. And I'm going to mix it again. Okay, now we're going to add our sour cream, 140 grams of sour cream, or 2/3 cup of sour cream. Okay, and then we're going to mix it again. Done. So now we're going to add our flour, and also we are going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And let's mix it all in here. And now I would use a spatula to mix it all again. At this point, you can start preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And just keep mixing our dough. And we're going to use the 9-inch baking form, and it is about 22 centimeters. And I already placed parchment paper on the bottom. You can also put some, no, that doesn't matter. And now we're just going to put the dough on the bottom of the parchment paper. Okay, and then just spread it out. And now we are placing our cherries here. And so you place them, fail, 1, 2, 3. So you place them here, and you can use as many as you can, and if you have leftover ones you can save them and then use them for decoration. So that's it. By this time, hopefully your oven is already preheated, 350 degrees, 180 degrees Celsius, and we just place it in there for 30 minutes. Now, while it's baking, we're going to make our cream. So we're just using 1 pound of sour cream, and we're going to mix it with powdered sugar. If you use powdered sugar, I would use 50 grams of powdered sugar. If you use regular sugar, you can use 100 grams of regular sugar. You can also substitute it with any other kinds of sugar, but I just like when it's white, and so it's prettier. Otherwise, I would use coconut sugar to make it healthier. And this is what is going to give this recipe this tiramisu taste, I guess, or the texture. Is going to be our pie, and on top of the pie we're going to put cream, and we're going to put it in the fridge for 5 hours to let it cool down and to become like tiramisu-like texture. And also we're going to decorate it with cacao powder, and it's going to be super amazing and tasty. Yay! Wait. Okay, so I'm just adding my powdered sugar that I sifted already, and I'm using this because it's faster to mix, because if you use regular sugar you have to mix it for a longer time, and of course I want to save some time so I can eat it faster. And that's it. So this is how it looks. White cream, almost like mascarpone, but instead of mascarpone we're using sour cream because of my roots, Ukrainian roots, and also because it's cheaper, by the way, also. And yeah, so now we're just waiting on our dough and our pie, and then we're just going to place it on top of it. So I would put it in the fridge maybe while we're waiting. I didn't expect to make it so fast, but you know. Can you pause? So I took it out. It took 30 minutes exactly, which is unreal. And I checked using a toothpick and it's perfect, came out clean. And now we're just going to, oh, this is how it looks. I hope you can see. And we are going to wait now a little bit until it cools down. Don't take it out from the form because we are going to place the cream on top, and then we're putting it in the fridge, and then you can remove it when you want to eat it actually. So yeah, we just wait a little bit till it cools down, and I'll be back with you.
Oh yeah, just like that.
Okay, so now we're going to put our cream on top of the pie. It's already nice and cooled down. And now I'm going to put some cacao powder on top to make it look like it's tiramisu. And I'm using cacao, not cocoa powder, but you can use cocoa powder. If you know the difference, cacao powder is actually a superfood, so it's healthy. That's why I'm using it. Oh, nice. It looks like tiramisu now. Oh my god, I can't wait to try it. But we will have to put it in the fridge for several hours. I would say 5 hours, but I know if you can't wait like me, then probably it will be less time. Also, you can decorate it with cherries on top. It's just cherry and cherry.
It's just cherries, cherries, it's coming up cherries on top.
That's it. Let's put it into the fridge, and I see you in 3 hours or 5 hours.
5 hours later.
Hello, I'm back. So it's been 5 hours. I taught 3 German classes, and I totally stayed in this dress and with this makeup. And now I am ready to try this the tiramisu cake. Okay, so now we can just remove it from this circle. Let me see, maybe I can help it somehow. Use my knife. Go around it. Wow, audio cut out, but I'm here. I'm just saying how beautiful the cake is and how much I like it, and that I'm going to decorate it with mint. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you make this recipe and you like it. Leave in the comment below what is your favorite summer fruit and what recipes you would like me to make with it. And a like, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye!